Gear up for your shot at a rewarding public sector career. The UPSC EPFO 2025 Admit Card is on the horizon, and it's your key to unlocking opportunities in the Employees Provident Fund organization. But with thousands vying for just 230 spots, this exam isn't just a test. It's a battlefield where preparation meets destiny. Dive in as we break down everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. The Union Public Service Commission is set to unveil the UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 for the upcoming recruitment exam targeting Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, EO/AO, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner, APFC roles. Aspiring candidates, given the intense competition stemming from a flood of applicants chasing a handful of openings, everyone is stepping up their game with meticulous study plans to tackle this challenging assessment. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this high-stakes competition truly fair, or does it disadvantage those without access to premium coaching? The UPSC EPFO 2025 Recruitment Drive. Check out more at https://bpfo/www.bankersada.com/UPSC EPFO notification is designed to fill 230 positions altogether in these vital enforcement and administrative capacities. These jobs within the Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO, which manages India's pension and provident fund schemes for millions of workers, offer not just job security, but also a chance to contribute to social welfare and economic stability. For instance, as an EO/AO, you might enforce compliance with labor laws, while an APFC handles high-level fund management, attracting ambitious candidates year after year. With the exam looming just days away, it's crucial to snag your admit card promptly and double-check every detail to avoid any last-minute hassles. UPSC EPFO Call Letter 2025, a closer look. This examination evaluates applicants on a broad spectrum of subjects, including general knowledge, logical reasoning, and specialized insights into the labor and employment sector. To put it simply for beginners, think of it as a mix of current affairs quizzes, puzzle-solving challenges, and questions on worker rights and government policies. Mastering the syllabus early can significantly boost your confidence and scores. UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025. Organization, Union Public Service Commission. Exam name, UPSC EPFO Recruitment 2025. Post, Enforcement Officer, Accounts Officer, and Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner. Vacancy, 230. Category, Admit Card. Status, Release soon. Admit Card 2025, Release date, 3rd week of November. Exam date, 30 November 2025. Selection process, written exam interview. Official website, www.upsc.gov. EPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025. The UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025 will be made available shortly on the official, and this is the part most people miss. Securing your hall ticket well in advance prevents tech glitches or crowds at the last second, giving you ample time to spot and fix any inaccuracies. UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025. Link will be active soon. Details printed on the UPSC EPFO Admit Card 2025. Your admit card is packed with essential details that require thorough scrutiny. If you spot an error, reach out to UPSC support right away to get it resolved and ensure a smooth exam experience. Here's what's typically included: your full name and unique roll number, a clear photo and your signature, the exact date, time, and session of your exam, the precise reporting time and full address of your assigned test center, guidelines on how to behave during the exam, a list of mandatory documents to bring along, important instructions for exam day. The UPSC enforces rigorous protocols to uphold integrity and safety throughout the testing process. Make sure to review all rules carefully before heading out to your center to prevent any disqualifications. Show up at the venue much earlier than the stated reporting time to account for any unforeseen delays. Bring a hard copy of your admit card along with a valid government-issued photo ID. Steer clear of bringing mobile devices, electronic gadgets, study notes, or any bags. Adhere strictly to the seating plan and follow all directions from the invigilators. Entry won't be permitted once the gates are closed, so punctuality is non-negotiable. Opt for modest attire and leave behind any restricted items like jewelry or accessories that could pose security risks. Tips for last week preparation. With only a short window remaining, smart revision is your best ally. Prioritize quality over quantity to sidestep burnout and maximize your performance. Emphasizing key areas can help you edge out the competition. Tackle past exam papers and practice tests to get a feel for the question patterns and time constraints. Brush up on critical labor laws and fundamental governance principles, perhaps by relating them to real-world examples like how EPFO schemes protect workers in industries such as manufacturing or IT. Hone your reasoning skills for quicker, more accurate responses. Resist the urge to cram new material. Instead, solidify what you already know. Get your admit card printed, map out your route to the center, and organize your documents ahead of time to eliminate stress on exam day. What do you think? Some argue that exams like this are the ultimate equalizer for talent, while others see them as favoring those with extensive study resources. Is the UPSC EPFO selection process truly meritocratic, or could reforms make it more accessible? We'd love to hear your take. Agree or disagree in the comments below.